Kia ora, welcome to He Whare Mahara o Memory Palace. As part of He Papa Tikanga, our aim is to increase your knowledge and skill in te reo Māori.
To do this, we are going to help you learn some useful Māori words and the correct pronunciation. The best part of it is you already have the skills required to learn te reo Māori.
Ai tika, that's right. Believe it or not, you're going to use a natural talent you already have to remember over 100 Māori words.
Aye, over 100 Māori words.
As well as practice and remember the sounds of Māori vowels and consonants.
How is this achievable? Well, He Whare Mahara is a fast-track learning technique that uses your visual spatial memory.
You see, many of us don't realise how powerful our memory actually is. Like being able to recall who was at a hui or a family meal just by picturing and remembering where people sat around the table.
Or just recalling everyday memories. For example, you can easily remember the layout of your own kitchen or lounge. Try it now. Think of your kitchen, you'll be able to remember where the fridge is, the pantry, the sink, the whole layout by using your visual spatial memory.
By tapping into the power of your visual spatial memory, you are going to create a memory palace, or He Whare Mahara. By linking the words you want to remember and connecting them to the visual layout of your own home, you will discover in no time at all that you have learnt more than 100 Māori words and their pronunciation in what seems like the blink of an eye.
So how does He Whare Mahara work? Let's try and remember some random items, which might be, say, on a shopping list. How about dishwashing liquid, dog food, cornflakes, apples, kumara, toothpaste, minced bread, milk and eggs. Got all that?
Whoa! Normally, to remember a shopping list like that, you'd need to write it down. And then, of course, remember to take the list to the supermarket. But if you use your Whare Mahara instead, the list will be locked into your visual spatial memory and you'll remember everything.
That's right, it goes like this. We'll be using exaggeration and some really bizarre ideas to place the shopping list items around your own kitchen. Ready? Think of your kitchen right now.
Have you got a clear picture of your kitchen? Awesome! Now think of a huge bottle of dishwashing liquid, almost crushing your fridge. Whoa! Then as you open the fridge, a ton of smelly old dog food falls out. Yuck!
Then, as you look over at your pantry, there is a waterfall of cornflakes pouring down the door. When you open your pantry door, an avalanche of apples pours out, nearly knocking you over.
You look down and see your kitchen floor is now covered in kumara plants, which you have to push your way through to get to the sink. Your kitchen taps have turned into tubes of toothpaste. Whoa, with mints pouring out. Ugh, yuck.
Ooh, yuck, all right. You look over and your oven has turned into a huge loaf of bread. On top of the bread is a massive lake of milk with eggs floating in it like little yellow islands. Whoa.
So what did you need to buy at the shops? Dishwashing liquid, crushing your fridge, old dog food falling out of the fridge.
A cornflake waterfall pouring down your pantry door and an apple avalanche nearly knocking you over.
Kumara plants all over the floor, toothpaste taps with mints pouring out.
And a bread oven topped with a milk lake with egg islands floating in it.
So there's your Whare Mahara shopping list. It's a quick, surefire way to remember all your items next time you get your groceries.
And of course, we can use it for way more important memory tasks like increasing your kupu vocabulary in te reo Māori.
We have selected over 100 commonly used Māori words, which are listed in your study guide. If you already have a really cool way of learning these words, please use that.
But if you like He Whare Mahara, just spend 5 to 10 minutes a day.
Or maybe even less once you get the hang of it.
Practicing 4 or 5 words using this technique. Within a couple of months, you'll have learned all the kupu, their meanings, and how to say them properly. Ka mau te wihi.